Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of negative thoughts? Or perhaps wondered how some people maintain a constant state of positivity? Today, we're exploring into the world of affirmations, a simple yet powerful tool that can help shift your mindset and open up new possibilities in your life. Affirmations aren't just feel-good quotes, they are practical tools that, when used correctly, can lead to significant changes in how you think and feel. Before we look into creating and using affirmations, let's take a moment to understand their roots and how they work. The concept of affirmations isn't new. It has been part of various cultural, spiritual, and psychological practices for centuries, but it gained prominence in modern times as psychologists began understanding more about the brain's capacity to alter neural pathways based on repetitive thoughts and spoken words. This practice is grounded in the field of cognitive psychology, which explores how we process information and how this affects our behavior and emotions. Essentially, affirmations can help us rewrite the narratives we tell ourselves, narratives that often aren't based on reality, but on our perception of past events or deep-seated fears. Let's start with the basics. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools that dictate much of our daily experience. The mind is divided into the conscious and subconscious. The conscious mind is where we spend most of our waking hours. It's analytical, rational, and makes daily decisions. Meanwhile, the subconscious mind is a vast reservoir of feelings, thoughts, urges, and memories. It's in the subconscious where many of our beliefs, whether positive or negative, take root. And it's these beliefs that influence our actions and reactions. By using affirmations, we aim to positively influence these deeply held beliefs, encouraging a shift from negative, limiting beliefs to positive, empowering ones. Interestingly, the effectiveness of affirmations is backed by science. Research in the field of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, supports the idea that we can change our thought patterns and behaviors. When we repeatedly tell ourselves positive, affirming statements, we reinforce these thoughts in our subconscious mind. Over time, these thoughts become our new reality. For instance, studies have shown that individuals who practice positive affirmations were more likely to increase their physical well-being, perform better at their jobs, and handle stress more effectively. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about creating a mental environment where you can thrive. As we talk about crafting affirmations, it's crucial to understand that not all affirmations are created equal. There are different types of affirmations, each suited to specific aspects of life. For example, positive affirmations focus on creating positive feelings and outcomes, such as "I am confident in my ability to solve problems." In contrast, self-identity affirmations involve statements that relate to our identity and core values, like "I am a kind and compassionate person." Choosing the right type of affirmation is key to addressing the specific areas you want to improve in your life. Moving forward, let's focus on how to create affirmations that resonate and make a real difference in your life. Crafting effective affirmations is both an art and a science. The first rule is to keep them positive. This means framing your statements in a positive rather than a negative light. Instead of saying "I am not afraid of speaking in public," rephrase it to "I am confident and calm when speaking in public." This subtle shift in language has a profound impact on your subconscious mind, reinforcing what you want to achieve rather than what you want to avoid. Next, affirmations should be in the present tense. It might feel odd initially to say "I am successful" if you're striving to reach success. But affirmations work by creating a positive belief that the success is real now, not some distant future event. This helps your mind to start recognizing and seizing opportunities to achieve that success. Make your affirmations specific. General affirmations like "I am happy" are okay. But specific affirmations like "I find joy in my daily activities" can have a much greater impact because they direct your mind to recognize and appreciate specific aspects of your life. Now that you know how to create affirmations, how do you use them effectively? One popular method is through repetition, repeating your affirmations daily, preferably at the same time each day, such as during your morning routine or just before you go to sleep at night. This repetition is not just about reciting words, it's about feeling the truth of the affirmation as you say it. The emotional engagement is what truly embeds these thoughts into your subconscious. Another powerful way to use affirmations is through affirmation meditation. This involves sitting quietly, breathing deeply, and repeating your affirmations in a meditative state. This can help clear your mind from distractions and increase the impact of the affirmations, allowing them to deeply penetrate your subconscious mind. You might also consider writing your affirmations down. Keeping a journal can be incredibly effective. Each day, write your affirmations several times to reinforce the message. Visual learners might benefit from creating a vision board, placing affirmations alongside images that represent their goals, which helps to visualize the end result and further embed the affirmations. Incorporating affirmations into your daily life can be as straightforward or as creative as you prefer. For some, setting reminders on their phone throughout the day helps keep their affirmations top of mind. For others, posting sticky notes with affirmations on mirrors, computer monitors, or dashboards in their car makes them hard to ignore. Another effective strategy is to pair your affirmations with habitual actions. For example, affirming "I am focused and effective" every time you start your computer. This method leverages the power of habit to reinforce the new belief system you are building. The key is consistency. The more regularly you use affirmations, the more natural they will feel and the greater impact they will have on your life. It's about making affirmations a part of your daily dialogue with yourself. Even with a strong understanding of how affirmations work and methods to integrate them into your daily routine, it's common to face challenges or skepticism. Sometimes you might find it hard to believe the affirmations you are repeating, especially if they feel far removed from your current reality. This skepticism can dampen the impact of affirmations. To overcome this, start with affirmations that are easier to believe. For example, if "I am successful" feels too far-fetched, modify it to "I am capable of achieving success through my efforts." This smaller step can feel more attainable and realistic, building your confidence in the process. Patience is crucial. Changes in mindset and subsequent changes in your external world take time. Affirmations are not quick fixes, but rather tools for gradual improvement. Regular practice is essential, and over time, you will likely find that your natural thought patterns begin to align more closely with your affirmations. Today, we've explored the power of affirmations from their psychological basis to practical applications, and how they can be integrated into daily life to foster personal growth. We've discussed how to craft effective affirmations, use them through various methods, and incorporate them into your everyday routine. We've also considered how to deal with challenges and drawn encouragement from the general success others have found through affirmations. While we wrap up, I encourage you to begin experimenting with affirmations. Choose one or two affirmations that resonate with you and start incorporating them into your daily routine. Remember, the goal is to shift your mindset gradually and align it more closely with your aspirations. Affirmations are a tool at your disposal, ready to be used to help foster a more positive, fulfilled life. Take this information, apply it, and watch how small, positive affirmations can lead to big changes. Thank you for spending your time with me today to explore the transformative power of affirmations. I hope this session inspires you to start your practice and see the benefits unfold in your own life. Your journey to a more positive mindset starts now, and I look forward to hearing about the changes you experience as you integrate affirmations into your daily life.